Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with another daily stock market video. And let's talk again about the cryptocurrency space. We're going to focus on Marathon Digital though, MARA, ticker symbol MARA. We'll take a quick peek at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Big news happened today. Jay Powell had a speech in the afternoon around 2 p.m., which sent the stocks to the moon as soon as he started speaking because he said he's going to keep interest rates near zero. Let's get right into it. Looking at the heat map here, you can see a mixture of red and green on the board, but it's not the typical breakdown of big tech versus the rest of the market. Even big tech was split. Tesla, Facebook, Amazon had green days. The semis were green for the most part, although AMD still couldn't make it back to the zero mark. Microsoft, though, Apple not having a great day. Even Visa and MasterCard, they were green yesterday, had a red day today, and some sprinkling of red throughout the rest of the market as well. So kind of a mixed bag today, depending on what tickers you were playing. Might have had a good day, may have had a bad day, but let's take a look at the crypto craze that's still going on. So here's Marathon Digital. You saw my video from yesterday. I have 4 puts that I sold on MARA. Actually sold them yesterday at the $20 strike price. So I'm looking pretty good right now at MARA's closing at $43.20. They expire this Friday. Looking like, knock on wood, that they're going to expire worthless for some taco money this weekend. Looking forward to that. But overall, all day long, I was a little bit nervous because in the morning, we got all the way down to around $35 when we were trading in the high 30s, almost $40 yesterday. At one point today, at the bottom, we were down over 8%. So I wasn't too nervous, but I was like thinking, you know what, if we sell off 10% today, another 10% tomorrow, another 10% Friday, who knows, maybe I'll get assigned. But nope, MARA rallied back. And then, like I said, this afternoon, Jay Powell started talking and the whole market went big green because he said that he's going to keep interest rates near zero. The market really liked that. Look at this. We closed the day up over 12.5%. The worst part of the day, we were down over 8%. And talk about a V-shaped recovery. We closed the day almost 13% in the green, up just a little bit more after hours as I'm making this video. 0.07%. On the week, take a look at this V-shaped recovery right here. On the week, we are up over 11%. Looks like I did pretty good selling some puts on MARA yesterday. To time it perfectly, I should have sold them early this morning, or maybe I should have sold even more and just banked on this recovery. And, I'm super profitable right now on my puts. I could close them out early, but at this point, why, risk the fees and commissions? Just ride them to expiration and collect max tendies. On the month, look at this. We are up over 31.5% on the month. Not sure why Robinhood is showing a flat line there. For the past 3 months, you're up over 347%. The reason why I chose to trade MARA yesterday, I really couldn't find a lot of good plays, but I wanted to make a play, and MARA had some of the highest IV of all the tickers on my watch list, meaning the juiciest premiums. And they are still pretty darn juicy. If you wanted to sell a put for 2 more days, basically Thursday and Friday, expires March 19th, you would still collect $218 at the money for putting up $4,300 in capital. That is going to give you a return on risk of, wow, take a look at this, a very juicy 5.1%. Some tickers don't even have 5.1% for a whole week until expiration. MARA is giving you that in 2 days. Extremely juicy. Maybe I'll look into selling some more puts tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. Not financial advice, of course. Entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence and research. But RIOT also has very juicy premiums. But MARA just was a little bit juicier when I looked yesterday, and I decided to sell some puts on it. Let me show you this news article. Again, this is more bullish news on the crypto space. So this one is just a quick blurb that Morgan Stanley is its first big bank offering Bitcoin to its wealthy clients. So now even the big banks are jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. So here's the real news right here. So this is another article out of CoinDesk. And again, it says Bitcoin nears 58K on the Fed's pledge to keep loose policy. We scroll down here. At the making of this article, Bitcoin was trading around $57,000, $58,000. You can see over the past day or so, we had a pretty significant sell-off. Bitcoin got all the way down to around $54,000. Let's take a look at it on the Robinhood graph here. So here's Bitcoin as I'm making this video, knocking on the door again of $59,000, 58.7K just about. On the week though, up and down, right? Like I said, not too long ago, Bitcoin was back in the 54K range. But this is right where Jay Powell took the speech and sent the whole market, including Bitcoin, to the moon. Even Ethereum got a nice little pump today from that speech. In general, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been trading very closely together. And honestly, again, not financial advice, but if you want to play in the crypto coin space, Ethereum is much cheaper at $1,800 a coin than Bitcoin at $58,000 a coin right now. But back to this article, you can see it says right here, Federal Reserve officials on Wednesday reaffirmed their expectations to keep interest rates close to zero at least through 2023. So 2 more years they're planning on keeping interest rates towards zero. Does that mean the market is just going to pump like crazy for the next 2 years? I don't know, but it seems as though people are using crypto as a hedge against inflation. But the weird thing is that the Bitcoin or the crypto space and the crypto stocks went up with the stock market today after Jay Powell's speech. Everything just went up together. I don't know if that's truly going to be a hedge against inflation. We'll have to wait and see, because it seems like everything is just trading together. When the stock market is up, the crypto stocks are up. When the stock market is down, the crypto stuff is down as well. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. But now you have this NFT craze going on as well. So many bubbles. Are they all going to pop? Who knows? Who knows where the future holds right now? But even this article says that Ether and Bitcoin are moving tightly together. It says right here, Ether and Bitcoin are still moving tightly together, according to OKCoins Lao. So right now, let me know if you have any coins or any shares of Mara or Riot or any of the crypto stocks, or if you're trading options on them. But they are very juicy, at least in my watch list. The crypto stocks are some of the more juicier, if not the juiciest stocks that are on my watch list. Let's take a look at the TradingView graph here to do some due diligence and technical analysis on Marathon Patent Group. If you saw my last video, for a while now, I felt like we've been trading in this parallel channel. Kind of got a little bit loose, got a little bit crazy back in February, came back down to earth. Looks like we got a little bit out of that parallel channel again today. Take a look at this. If I zoom in here, this candle, we bounced perfectly off the 21-day moving average around $36.90. We closed big green. Look at this, up 12.6%. Like I said earlier, in aftermarket trading, we're down a few pennies to about $42.55. But the overall trend, if I look up, is just still up and to the right. So all I'm going to do is extend this arrow outwards, because I still think we are on the up and up. Now, can we have a little bit of a pullback, maybe get back into this parallel channel? I think so. But another thing I could do is take a look at this parallel channel from this point here, this point to this point. Maybe I could widen this thing, because maybe this parallel channel is a little bit too narrow. Maybe the channel looks something a little bit along the lines of this, to incorporate a little bit more of the data. Let's keep that up, see how the data follows it for the next few days. But maybe we are within a parallel channel. We just didn't make it wide enough from the get-go. RSI, not really overbought. It's only around 59.47. Not a lot of volume today either. We didn't have a lot of volume like we did back on early February or in January. So let's see if this holds. I did have an area of support also around $37.60. Where is resistance right now? I think we are actually hitting resistance as we speak, because around $43 or so, we topped out today, topped out 2 days ago on March 15th, and we also bottomed out there as support on February 19th and pretty much topped out there on February 16th. We might have hit resistance, and that might explain the little bit of a pullback in after hours trading. So what I'm going to be looking to see, can we go above $43 tomorrow and close above 43? Or are we going to have a little bit more of a pullback back down to the high 30s? We'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow to close out the week, and also Friday. But let's end the video looking at the option flow data to see what the big money investors were doing with Marathon Patent Group. So here's Sweepcast, one of the option flow programs I've been testing out. And overall, 18 calls came in on Mara, 6 puts. However, the overall sentiment, according to this program, is bearish. The most valuable option play was this one for almost $1 million, which was a 30-strike call option that was bullish. But this came in before Jay Powell started talking around 11:12 a.m. Eastern time. The bullish play there. Let's see if we sort by time what the older, or I should say the more recent option flows were. So here, take a look at this. Basically in power hour, from about 3 p.m. to market close, they were all call options. Some, according to this program, bearish, some neutral, some bullish. But they were all calls. Take a look at this one. $89,000 for a 70-strike call. That was a bullish sentiment that expires in a month. Someone is betting real big on Mara getting close to 70. Here's another one, $70 strike, another 87K. Same strike around 416.21. Some of the others are a little bit more down to earth in the $40 for the strike prices, so not too aggressive. But we'll have to wait and see if they play out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're into the crypto space. Have you traded any coins or options or shares of anything? Leave me a comment below. Make sure you join the Discord server if you're not in there already. And as always, add me on StockTwits, Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit. And I hope you're having a green week. I'll see you on the moon.